So in the previous two videos, we looked at consumer surplus and producer surplus separately. What we're going to do in this video is draw a market diagram. So here is our demand curve. I will draw a supply curve to go with it, and we're going to label the diagram appropriately. The horizontal axis is the quantity axis, and the vertical axis is the price axis. And where supply and demand cross is our equilibrium. I'm going to use the numbers from before, 4,500 bushels and a market price of $3. Now I'm going to shade in green here the area below the demand curve and above the market price. And that is our consumer surplus. I'll label that CS, so CS is our abbreviation for consumer surplus. Likewise, I'm going to shade in the area above the supply curve and below the market price. This area right here is our producer surplus. I'm going to label that PS. PS is our abbreviation for the producer surplus. Now, total welfare, or the welfare in this market, is the consumer surplus plus the producer surplus. And that is the welfare in the market, or total welfare. It's quite easy to find that on the graph. Let's just scroll up to our graph real quick, and we're going to shade in this big triangle that is a combination of both the producer surplus and the consumer surplus triangles. And this area here that I've shaded in is the total welfare that the producers and the consumers get from participating in this market.